I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge and we're on week 20. And our prompts for this week is a picture of an animal in motion. I have got this dog that this guy's holding. And it's this next prompt is a decorative element. So this is a statue. So this is what I'm going to use for both. A photograph of a reflection in water. I don't have a photograph, so I'm using this. Something that starts with a P. I've got a peacock. An image of a book or stack of books. I've got this girl reading a book. And a clipping of a headline and a serif font. And I've got this going to extremes. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right. So I'm just going to lay this out. I have been busy this morning. I'm filming this on Saturday and today's my birthday. I am 59. All right, I'm going to have that. And tuck this in here. This is going to be an easy one. I can add him down there. And I can just do that. And I like how that looks. So let me get this down. My sweet son's got me a new computer. I have desperately needed one. And now I've got to get a printer because I don't have a working printer. It's like everything went kaput at once. I was making do with my husband's old computer, but it wouldn't hold a charge. It kept cutting off. But I cannot print out anything right now. And that is not good. So hopefully I can get one soon, I hope. I want an eco tank, but I don't know if I will be able to afford that. I think in the long run, it'll save on ink. Y'all give me your opinion of what kind of printer to get. I had a Canon, and it was really a good printer. I liked it. I had it for many, many years. But it just, once it decided to quit working, it quit working. It just, one day it's fine, next day it was no power whatsoever. I did everything I could think of. I Googled it, and they said after that it's probably the board and that it would cost too much to have it fixed. I figure she's all cozy and with her scarf and hat on, and she's dreaming of all these places she'd like to go. Warm places. Of course, today it is very warm. It got up to 90 this past week. And we've had thunderstorms this morning. I hope that's it for them. But it brought the humidity. But it's breezy outside, but it's warm in here. We finally had to cut on our air conditioning. There was no getting around it anymore. So I'm going to start seeing these summer bills come in. All right. It's cute. I like it. All right, let me see. I want to kind of go around him a little bit just so he'll pop from the background, the peacock. least they were nice enough to put a fig leaf in front of his private parts. Or did I say put a leaf in front of his? I hope that's what I said. I was wondering if I said a peacock. And we're grilling today. I've got the burgers and stuff made up, and the baked beans made. We'll have brats and hot dogs and hamburgers. And my husband got me a birthday cake yesterday. It's good. I've already had some of it. Birthday cake's one of my favorites. Just be kind of careful what I outline. Okay. And I think I'll outline her. Oh, she's making me very hot with that coat and hat and all on. Okay. And I need to add my going to extremes. I almost forgot. I had to look up what a serif font is, and it's your typical font. It's got the little lines. I should know that. And now, let's see. I do have, I don't know. I like that. I like that. Adds a little something to it. Okay. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP20 to see what everybody has made. And check out Margarete Miller's channel. I've always wondered why she doesn't do the challenge too. I'm glad she still has it. Let's see here. There we go. Lay that back down. also have some more peacock feathers. Let me put my pen in my glue. Let's see if why not? If I can get them off. Put a couple around, or a few. Try to keep it at 3 at least. I can get it off of this sheet. Let's see. One more. All right, I am going to call that done. Let me trim off the sides what I need to trim off. And I will have to, there we go, that'll probably be fine. Make sure I have everything. I have got a picture of an animal in motion, a decorative element. I've got this statue, a photograph of a reflection in water. Well, you can barely see the water now, but you can see it. And it's not a photograph, but at least I have something. Something that starts with a P. We've got a peacock, an image of a book or stack of books. We've got this book, and a clipping of a headline in a serif font, and I've got that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. All these things help my channel grow, and it helps my channel grow when you comment. And it doesn't cost anything. So I hope you would do that for me. I'd appreciate it. And I hope you take care and have a great weekend. Well, week, because it'll be Sunday when this comes out. So I hope your week will be great. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.